everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a soup. It's a feel-good soup. That's the name of it. My mom's friend gave her the recipe, and so we're going to put a screenshot of it in the video for you. But basically, you can do a lot of modifications to it to your taste. So you can see how my mom did it, but you can do whatever you like, and there's lots of options on the recipe itself. But it was delicious. Everyone loved it, and it made us all feel really good. So it's true to its name. I hope you guys give this one a try, especially if you got anybody who's feeling sickly. It's a good one. All right. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
Okay, as Yoda said, we're making a feel-good soup, which, you know, with allergy season and ending winter, lots of people just need something to help them feel good. And all this stuff helps you feel good. So let me show you what's in here before I get it started. This is what it looks like. And I'll tell you what I put in there. This is from my friend Lacey. She gave me this recipe. So we're gonna put it on soup broth. Just whatever time it came on is fine. Let it go, make sure it's on sealing. And while that's cooking, let me tell you what's in here. So we got 2 cans of chicken. You can use a couple of chicken breasts chopped up too. It's up to you, but it has to be cooked. So I'm using canned chicken, and then 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. It said 1 to 2 cloves, but I doubled the amount of stock, so I doubled that. So we have 2 boxes of organic chicken broth, and then I used like a cup of the Spice World Easy Onion, and then half a teaspoon cinnamon. I used like a teaspoon and a half of poultry seasoning. You can use whatever other seasonings you want, but you use turmeric, teaspoon of turmeric, and then a teaspoon of crushed dried rosemary. Then salt and pepper as you like, and you have to use sea salt, so I use sea salt in there. And then half a teaspoon of ginger root. I use ground, but whatever you have. So all this stuff is good for you and helps reduce inflammation and mucus and whatever. It's good for feeling good for many different things. Then they said you could add other veggies as you want, like carrots, celery, kale, mushrooms. I added kale. I don't have any of those other things, and I'm allergic to mushrooms. So that is what we have in there. Now we're gonna let it cook, and I'll show you the finished product. All right, I did a quick release once it was finished on the soup function, and this is the finished product. It smells delicious and tastes good too. I added some more salt and pepper at the end just because I doubled the amount of liquid and it needed just a little bit more. But you do that as needed. Hope you guys give this one a try. Happy health.